welcome back to the channel. It's a wet day here in Western Newfoundland, and we're gonna go for a little quick mug up. I got my lightweight tarp with me, and I got a new kettle, thanks to my beautiful wife, and we're gonna go in there now, have a piece of fresh bread with molasses on it, and a few homemade 5-stars. And yeah, it's gonna be delicious. So I bought this here hot core lightweight tarp a few years back, hoping to use it, and I never really had a chance yet, but today is the day. Alrighty, just as the rain started to pick up. Pretty cozy in there. I got my woods trekking pole propped up, and it's helping with the water buildup, and everything else is wet and I'm dry. Alrighty, so one of the few reasons I came in here today was to test out my new 2-cup cook set from Stanley. And this is one that you've probably seen my buddy Darrell use, or Wallace Vivian, or Gary Fudge with Tucker and I. So make sure to check out their channels. This Stanley Cook Set here actually comes with 2 green cups, and I'm hoping to get a part of the Green Cup Club. Wallace or Darrell, if you're watching, we're going to put this on here now and have a good mug up on this rainy old day. So you might not be able to hear me all that well with the raindrops dropping on the tarp, but it gives you that reminiscing feeling of going tenting when you're a kid. And you get a bit of rain overnight and you're hearing that pitter patter of the raindrops. It's nice, I must say. It's good for the soul. The water's almost boiled here now. So one of the main reasons I came in today, besides testing my new Stanley kettle, thanks again to my beautiful wife, is just to talk about the channel, I guess, and talk about where things are going to go from here on out. So in terms of people getting money from YouTube, I guess you could say, once you meet that 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 watch time hours in a run of a year, then you're eligible to get monetized. And around last March I became monetized, and for a long time I didn't really understand the whole process. I was pretty fresh to it all. Last week sometime my wife put on Google AdSense for me and figured everything out. So I collected my first YouTube check. Now, it wasn't very much, and everything that I've been making of my YouTube I will be putting back into my channel. Which brings me, I guess, to my first point. Yeah, I purchased a new drone. It's a DJI Mini 2 SE, I think. It's a great drone from what I'm hearing. I got great reviews. My friend Jim Barrett with Black Spruce Country got the same drone. So I'm looking forward to that. That's definitely going to add a different dimension now to my videos. And I'm super happy about that. It's something I didn't think I would get, but when I seen the price of one, it wasn't as much as I thought, and I figured I would go for it. Which brings me to my next point, on adding different dimensions to my videos. Looks like the water's almost boiled. I'm going to throw those tea bags in now. So I'm just going to let the tea steep away for a second, and then we'll have a nice mug up. But like I was saying, I reached out to a local musician here from Newfoundland, Labrador the last couple of days. Thanks again for the encouragement, my buddy Jim with Black Spruce Country. He suggested I reach out to him, and so I did. His name is Darrell. He makes great music. Make sure you go check out his channel. I'll put a link for his channel in the description below. Makes great music. You probably heard his music a lot on Chuck Porter's channel, and as well as Jim Barrett's channel. It makes great music, and I'm so happy that he agreed to make a few songs for my channel, and that's definitely going to add a different dimension going forward. So now we got the toast on. Looking forward to that. Another thing I like to talk about is my upcoming adventures and what I got planned for the summer. Obviously, a lot of fishing in that is going to happen. Again, that drone is going to add so much more dimension to my channel, and I'm so looking forward to that. But I'm hopefully going to be planning a backcountry kayak fishing trip with my buddy Jim. We might be hitting up a pond or two on a weekend, maybe someday in the summer, and I'm definitely looking forward to that. Which brings me to my next point. A company by the name of OneWinds reached out to me. They're a company based in the States, and they make all kind of great camping, single-person tents. They make great tarps, sleeping bags. They make all kind of stuff like that. They asked if I was interested in a sponsorship or a partnership, so they're sending me a camping hammock. I don't know if you've ever seen it before. String it between two trees, and you're off the ground. Not much when it comes to setup and that. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll put their product link in the description below. Go check them out on Amazon. They got all kinds of great stuff. So this here's actually our wood cutting trail that we used all winter. That's where we went on in the woods to get our firewood, and we still got about 5 pickup loads in there cut, but I don't think I'll be hauling them out with Skidoo. So we're gonna wait for the ground to dry up later on and see if we're on good ground here. Go in on bike and see if we can get some wood out. Probably do a video on that too. Never know. Now, Dad, if you're watching this, I know your mouth is watering. Some butter and molasses on toast, and a cup of tea in the woods. 5 stars are my absolute favorite dessert. Thanks again to my beautiful wife for making them. But that does it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this little lunch and me just being able to get out and have a chat with you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free, it don't cost nothing, and definitely helps me grow. So again, thanks guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.